Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. I am Amrit Kumar. We Royal Architecture, the number one old home renovation company in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Today, I am going to take you through one of our ongoing 19 years old home renovation project which is located at Murgeshpalya, Bangalore. The scope of the project includes complete floor renovation, bathroom renovation, interior design, electrical and plumbing renovation, and last but not the least, interior and exterior painting. Coming to the living area, earlier there was an old showcase unit. Now we have completely covered it to create a new modern TV unit. Earlier, this kitchen was outdated and dull. Now we are renovating this kitchen using aluminium. Dishwasher is the essential appliance for the kitchen, so we decided to accommodate the dishwasher inside the kitchen. Below the staircase, we are smartly utilizing the space for storage and accommodating UPS. The major renovation scope of this project is 3 bathroom renovation, 1 in ground floor and 2 in first floor. Especially, I want to mention here, we are using aluminium to create 3-bedroom wardrobe interiors. So, this is a story of the 19 years old home renovation project at Murugeshpalya, Bangalore by Royal Architecture. For more videos on old home renovation, structural renovation, vertical and horizontal extension, bathroom renovation and interior design, please call us today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture. Thank you.